Good morning. Right. Vectors, chapter vectors. Next question. Show that the vectors, right. Show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. These two vectors are collinear. What is the meaning collinear? Lies on the same line. Lies on the same line. That's the meaning collinear. Understand? But here, how to prove that these vectors are collinear? Look at the first vector. A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Agree? Then B minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. From the second vector, you can take one minus 2 outside, isn't it? When you take minus 2 outside, 2i minus 3j plus 4k. We can write this B as minus 2 into vector A. If one is the multiple of the other, then we can say that they are collinear vectors. Very important. Collinear vectors means one is the multiple of the other. Next one. Right. Next one. The direction, write the heading. The direction cosine of the vector. The direction cosine, dz. Direction cosine of the vector. Right. A is the vector ai plus bj plus 6ck or a1i plus b1j. Anyway, ai plus bj plus ck. Then the direction cosine dz is equal to this I component, a by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma, what's the last one? C by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Direction cosine. This is the meaning direction cosine. Write one question. Find the direction cosine of the vector. Find the direction cosine of the vector. A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. I plus 2j plus 3k. To find the direction cosine, you have to find modulus of vector A. What is modulus of vector A? Take the coefficient. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Got it? 14? Root 14. Then what is direction cosine? dz. Coefficient of I. 1 by root 14, comma, 2 by root 14, comma, 3 by root 14. 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14. Write the next question. Find the direction cosine of the vector joining the points. Right. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points a1, 2, minus 3 and b minus 1, minus 2, 1. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1. Once again, find the direction cosine. Here the points given. Points given means you can write that A, vector A as I plus 2j minus 3k. If the point is given, put ijk. I plus 2j minus 3k. Then B you can write minus I minus 2j plus k. Okay. Then AB means, can you say what is AB? OB minus OA. PQ means OQ minus OP. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. The vector AB means OB minus OA, or subtract minus I minus 2I minus 4J, agree, plus 4K. Minus 2I minus 4J plus 4K. Now our aim is to find modulus of AB. Modulus of AB means root of minus 2 square, 4 minus 4 square, 16 plus 16. Is it 36 or 6? Understand? Once again listen all of you. A is equal to the vector 1, 2, minus 3. B is equal to minus 1, minus 2, 1. Then you have to write the in vector form. If the points x, y, z given, then how can you write that in vector form? Xi plus yj plus zk. First you write A, then you have to write B, then AB means terminal point minus initial point. The vector AB means terminal vector minus initial vector, that is OB minus OA. Subtraction, direct subtraction. Subtract I component, J component, K component separately. Then find mod AB. The answer is 6. Then how can you write the direction cosine? Direction cosine of this is, what is the direction cosine? Minus 2 by 6. Okay. Minus 2 by 6, comma, minus 4 by 6, comma, 4 by 6. Write in the lowest form, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Direction cosine. Actually, right, if A is the point, x1, y1 is x1, y1 is z1, and B is the point x2, y2 is z2. In the vector form means x2 minus x1 into I plus y2 minus y1 into j plus z2 minus z1 into k. This is the answer. X2 minus x1. We can convert the point into a vector. This is the method. Okay. Write the next question. Find the position vector of a point R. Find a position vector of a point R which divides the join of P I plus 2j minus k, I plus 2j minus k, and Q minus I plus j plus k, minus I plus j plus k, in the ratio 2 is to 1. In the ratio 2 is to 1. Question number 1. Internally. And question number 2 is externally. Question number 1 is internally and the question number 2 is externally. You remember what is the formula? MB. R is equal to MB plus NA by M plus N. Same section formula. Understand? M means 2 into, here B means minus I plus J plus K plus 1 into I plus 2J minus K by 2 plus 1. Right answer. Minus 2I plus 2J plus 2K plus I plus 2J minus K, the whole by 3. After calculation, minus 2I minus I, got it? Minus I plus 4J plus, when you take the J component, K by 3. Or the answer is minus 1 by 3I plus 4 by 3J plus 1 by 3K. 1 by 3K. This is internal division. Then how can you write the external division R? What's the formula? MB minus NA by M minus N. MB minus NA by M minus N. Same procedure. M into M means 2 into A, B minus 1 minus I plus J plus K minus 1 into I plus 2J minus K by, what is the answer? 2 minus 1. Check the final answer. Is it minus 3I plus 3K by 1 minus 3I plus 3K by 1? Okay. Write the next question. Find the midpoint of the vector. Find the midpoint of the vector. Joining the points P, 2, 3, 4 and Q, 4, 1, minus 2. 4, 1, minus 2. First you convert this in the vector form. Here the chapter is not coordinate geometry. Here the chapter is vector. Therefore write the question in the vector form. 2I plus 3J plus 4K. And Q is 4I plus J plus minus 2K. Then can you say what is midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Isn't it? 6 add 6I plus 4J plus 2K. Right here. Midpoint formula. P plus Q by 2. P plus Q the whole by 2. That is by 2. Final answer 3I plus 2J plus K. 3I plus 2J plus K. This is midpoint formula. This is midpoint formula. Right. Now, next question. In triangle ABC, right? In triangle capital ABC. Prove that AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. AB vector, BC vector, CA vector equal to 0. This is AB, agree? And this is BC. And this is AC. Can you say what is triangle law of addition? AB plus BC gives AC. Agree all of you? AB plus BC equal to AC. Then AB plus BC is equal to minus CA. We can change the direction. AC means, look here, AC means in this direction. AB, BC, and the answer is in the opposite direction, AC. That is triangle law of addition in the case of vector. Then AB plus BC minus CA we convert in this LHS side, changes to CA equal to 0. Hence proved. This is triangle law of addition. Triangle law of addition. Understand? This is the first section. Next is prove the points are the vertices of a right-angled triangle, and like that. Write that question also. Right. If the vertices of a triangle are, right, if the vertices of a triangle are 2, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 3, minus 5, and 3, minus 4, minus 4, right? Question. Using vector method, prove that it is a right-angled triangle. Using vector method, prove that it is a right-angled triangle. Very simple. Here A, B, C, 3 points given. Can you write what is OA? Write in vector form. 2i minus j plus k. Then what is OB? I minus 3j minus 5k. And what is OC? 3i minus 4j minus 4k. Then how can you write AB? Can you say what is AB formula? OB minus OA. OB minus OA, I minus 2A minus I minus 2J minus 6K. Check the answer. AB means minus I minus 2J minus. Then what is modulus of AB? Root of minus 1 square 1 minus 4 2 square 4 36. Is it 41? Root to 41. Next, find BC. What's the formula? BC. OC minus OB. BC means OC minus OB. Say the answer BC. 2i, final answer. 2i minus j plus k. OC minus 3i minus I. 2i minus j minus 5. Plus k. Okay. Then find modulus of BC. Root of 2 square 4, 1, 1. Is it root 6? Okay. Then same way find CA. CA means OA minus OC. CA means OA minus OC. Do by yourself. OA minus OC. The answer is minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Then modulus of CA is equal to root 35. Check the answer. 1 plus 9. 25. Is it? Root 35. How can you prove that this is a right angled triangle? Apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Sum of any two sides, root 6 square plus root 35 square equal to root 41 square. Sum of any two sides equal to the hypotenuse square. Base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. That is 6 plus 35 equal to 41. 41 equal to 41 means this is a right angled triangle. In this way, you can show the remaining also. Understand? Listen, the main points. Once again, I will repeat. Any vector A can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. Then, modulus of a vector means root of x square plus y square plus z square. That's the first formula, modulus of a vector. Then, second formula, unit vector in the direction of A is vector A by modulus of vector A. Suppose the question is unit vector in the direction of A minus B means A minus B by mod A minus B. Then next point is the PQ. PQ means OQ minus OP. Terminal vector minus initial vector gives the length PQ. Understand? Now, what's the next point? Collinear. Collinear means one vector is the multiple of the other. Then we can say that the two vectors are collinear, lies on the same line. Collinear. Equal means x components, y components, j components and k components are equal. Then only we can say that the vectors are equal. Then what is section formula? Last one. Section formula means mb plus na by m plus n if the division is internally, mb minus na by m minus n if the division is externally. Therefore, this is the first section. Okay, take your textbook, do the questions from your exercise. Understand? These are the main topics regarding the first section. Study well. Okay, bye.